Hello, my name is Sam. I am learning English. Today, I will tell you about my day at the market. This is a simple story. You can read it and learn English with me. It is a bright morning. The sun is shining. I wake up and feel happy. I want to go to the market today. The market is not far from my home. I take my small bag. I put money in my bag. I am ready to go. I leave my house. I walk on the street. I see people walking too. Some people are going to work. Some children are going to school. I walk slowly. I look around. After 10 minutes, I see the market. The market is big. It is very busy. There are many people. I hear voices. I hear sellers calling. Fresh fruit. Fresh vegetables. The air smells good. I like the smell of food. I go to a fruit stand. There is a man there. He smiles at me. I say, "Hello." He says, "Hello, what do you want?" I say, "I want bananas, please." He asks, "How many?" I say, "I want 4 bananas." He puts the bananas in a bag. He says, "That is $2." I give him the money. He gives me the bananas. I say, "Thank you." He says, "You are welcome." I walk to a vegetable stand. I see tomatoes, carrots, and cucumbers. A woman is selling them. I say, "Good morning." She smiles. I ask, "How much are the tomatoes?" She says, $1 for 3. I say, "Okay, I will take 6 tomatoes." She puts them in a bag. I pay her. I also buy 2 cucumbers. I say, "Thank you." She says, "Have a nice day." I walk more. I see fresh fish. There is a man selling fish. I ask, "How much is the fish?" He says, $5. I say, "Okay, I want 1 fish." He wraps the fish in paper. I give him the money. He gives me the fish. It is heavy, but I am happy. I walk around the market. I see flowers. Red, yellow, and white flowers. They are beautiful. I like roses. I buy 1 rose for my mother. It is $2. The seller gives me the rose. I smell the rose. It smells sweet. As I walk, I see my friend. His name is John. He is also shopping. He smiles at me. He says, "Hello, Sam." I say, "Hello, John. How are you?" He says, "I am good. What are you buying?" I show him my bag. I have bananas, tomatoes, cucumbers, and a fish. He laughs and says, "That is a lot of food." I say, "Yes, I like fresh food." We walk together. John wants to buy bread. We go to the bread stand. There are many kinds of bread. He buys a small loaf. We talk while walking. He says, "I come here every week." I say, "Me too. The market is nice." We smile. I look at the time. It is almost noon. I feel hungry. I say to John, "I will go home now." He says, "Okay, see you later." We wave goodbye. I walk to the bus stop. The bus comes. I get on the bus. I sit by the window. I look at my bag full of food. I feel happy. I arrive home. I put the food on the table. Bananas, tomatoes, cucumbers, fish, and a rose. I wash the vegetables. I put the bananas in a bowl. I put the fish in the fridge. I put the rose in a glass of water. I feel good. I went to the market. I spoke English. I learned new words. I bought fresh food. It was a nice day. This is my story. One day at the market. Simple and fun. I hope you liked my story. Please subscribe, like, and share. We will see you next time.